Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's super late. It's October 20th and guess what? I'm finally recording my Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost.
Okay, so this is my Boxycharm. It actually say Ipsy, but I am one of the customers that got like pretty much put onto Ipsy from Boxycharm, which I'm still thinking if I should keep that or not. But for some reason, it seems to be one of my videos that do the best. So I'm like, maybe I need to keep it. So it says it's October 2024. Boxycharm, the dark glam creator TikTok hasn't told you about yet, which is I guess Halloweeny. Okay, let us jump into this. So this is just the base box, so it's just gonna be like 5 products. And the first product that we have is from Eloise Goddess. Is the Eloise Goddess palette. It's from Eloise Beauty and she looks like so. So there's 3 mattes and the rest a shimmer glitter shade. This is a blue shade and then this feels good. The shimmers also feel good. So yeah, so we'll definitely be testing that out today. The other product we have is from Seraphine Botanicals and this is a beaming highlighter.
I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Ashland and we could keep the pace on slow. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back?
Get to know us here on they're the little TikTok logo. That's cute. Which looks like so this, I don't know, this is kind of pinky. So it's right here. Oh God, you can barely see it. So we'll be testing it out as well. And this is actually from Mud Masky and it is a Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. It's pH balanced, pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, brightening, fragrance free, made in France. So it's just a mask, can't test that today. And so this is our 4th product. This is actually from Kevin Aucoin and it is a lipstick. Oh, I like this color. This is pretty. Looks like so. So this is a win. I actually like Kevin Aucoin lipstick, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this. And then last but not least, it is from another product from Kevin Aucoin. Oh, interesting. And this one is a Unforgettable lip liner. So it's a lip liner. This one is shade Minimal. So it looks like it's gonna match like perfectly with that lipstick. So this is the lipstick, and then this is, see, this is gonna be perfect. So we will be testing out this today. So finally, we have our lipstick, not lipstick, a palette. So we can go ahead and create a look. Create a look, and we're definitely gonna use this palette. So in the order V, I'm gonna go in with Opulent, which is this color. It's a blue. And this is on a T36 from Makeup Shack. And just keep on applying. So this is blending very well. So that's good because dark colors like this can be very difficult, you know. There's a 433 from Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna go to the edges, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Impressed Elegance, and I'm just gonna put it like right, like literally on the edge. Like so, and then I'm gonna go back to this up for a little bit. Perfect. So now I just need a little glitter glue. I like to put the glitter glue like on the back of my finger and then just tap it like this. And then just put it here. And I think I'm gonna put Majestic, and I'm gonna use this M421. Majestic is like this shade. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this. This is a Y212, and I'm thinking, is this gonna blend this? I'm gonna use Transcendent Beauty right here, and just to like blend this out a little bit. Okay. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, and for lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kevyn Aucoin Unforgettable Lip Definer, which is what I got in my Boxycharm. What shade is this? Minimal. And then I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin lipstick, and this one is in shade Thelmadora. Yep, Thelmadora Cream. These hoops, I actually don't really use that very often because they're quite like heavy. I feel like they literally bring up my whole face. See? That's why I don't wear it. Because it gets like tangled up and stuff. And okay. So let us go through the products that I got on my Boxycharm and, you know, my lists. So I got 5 products because it's the base box. The first one was the, oh my god, I didn't even use this. So the highlighter, let's just put a little on real quick. So I like it. Which was the Seraphine highlighter in shade Belle. This is good. Okay, yeah, nothing to write home about. So the first product is the highlighter, which was $29. We jump in the mask. I did not use the mask. Again, that is a product that you have to use progressively to see, like, what happens. That was $49. The lip definer from Kevin Aucoin, I loved. It was nice and smooth and creamy, which is perfect, but not too creamy where it's like kind of like crumbles. It was just like amazing. So that was $25. And we also jump into the lipstick, also from Kevin Aucoin, and that was also really creamy but not tacky, so that was really good, and that was $32. Last but not least was the palette from Eloise Beauty. That palette blend like a dream, especially that navy blue. Navy blue is really hard to blend, and then look at this. I love that. So that was $32. So my total box was $167. I paid $30 plus tax, which was like $34.99 or $35, something to that effect. So yeah. This was actually a really good box. I got 4 beauty makeup products and then 1 like skincare product, which I think is pretty good, like I prefer that than the opposite, right? So yeah, that was a good box. Good box. So that's it, guys, for this October Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family so you can see what I get in my Boxycharm, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.